How to fix your iPhone cannot be backed up. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply open up your settings application in your mobile device. Once you are here, scroll all the way to the below until you find Safari. And once you find it, simply tap onto it. Now once you are here, scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on Clear History and Website Data. Tap on All History and then tap on Clear History. Once you do that, you'll then be able to clear the cache of Safari, and once it is done, head back to Settings and now simply click on General. From here, simply tap on iPhone Storage. Now inside iPhone Storage, you'll find all of your installed app. Tap on one of the app that is unused and simply tap on Upload app or simply tap on Delete app. This will help you free up the storage used by the app and will help you to back up your mobile device. Now once it is done, head back to Settings and then tap on your Apple ID. Now once you are here, simply tap on iCloud. Now from here, scroll below and then tap on iCloud Backup under Device Backups. Now you'll have to go ahead and toggle off the button that says Backup this iPhone and then toggle it back again. After you do that, simply tap on Backup now. Now once it is done, head back and simply tap on Manage Account Storage. Now from here, simply tap on Upgrade. And once you do that, you'll find different features such as 50 GB, 200 GB, 2 TB, 6 TB and 12 TB. You can go ahead and choose any one of them and then simply tap on Upgrade to iCloud. Once you do that, you'll then be able to fix your iPhone cannot be backup message. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.